Yes, Tamal is saying, sir, in previous expiry you book loss, but till 3:30 your premium went to zero. Yes, because market stayed above that 44 300 level, right? But again, it's in hindsight. Like I cannot wait to find out whether it stays above zero, above that reference. By the time market expires, tells me that yes, your position was profitable. I have to take a call somewhere, and that was the adjustment level that we talked about. And as soon as it tagged that adjustment level, I got out of my position, right? And that is how you have to deal with that situation. You cannot just blindly go on holding things, hoping that market will stay above, and it will happen. It will happen. As it has happened here, it will happen on multiple occasions that. You will see that market stayed above your short strike by the end of the day, but in the morning when everything was happening, it was difficult to hold, so I booked my position. I mean, see, it's a part and parcel of the game. I will be proven wrong on multiple occasions. Before this could have happened, all right, I should have booked my position on Monday evening, Monday closing. The markets were nicely down. I mean, the premiums, the market was nicely trading up. The premiums were down, and I was making almost 80 to 90% of my max profit. And I should have done that. I should have booked that right there, but I did not. So that was actually a bigger mistake than not holding till expiry, because that you don't know. This was the day we were looking at. Okay, so I don't know. I booked it here, and I don't know whether it is going to do this or do this. It chose to move sideways. Fine, good. But if it had broken down, let's say it went higher in G period and then it fell sharply, what I would have done in that case? So you cannot judge your decisions after the fact. I had to take a decision when I was in D period. So everything that happens after D period, I cannot judge myself by looking at this and say, oh, if only I would have held on to my position, I would have made all the profit. No, that is the incorrect way. You have to judge your ability as a trader. This was the decision point. So I am judging myself based on the information that was available till this decision point. There is a video on my channel. If you can search it, I'll also try to find out, where I talk about this particular problem that traders face. What I will do is, they'll look at this rest of the information and judge a decision that was made when this information was not available. Please understand, this information became available afterwards. If I had this information earlier, for example, let's say we never had a range extension down, but it went higher and challenged the high. Either I would have gotten out here, or let's say it would have gone higher towards this H1 and I would have made all the money. I would never have touched my position. But when I have put 45,600 as my adjustment level and it breaks that, I don't have to ask questions of the market or try and predict what is going to happen later on. No, I have this much information and I take my trading decision based on the information I have so far, not what is going to happen in the future. So that is the reason why I booked my position, and I have zero regrets that it closed at zero. I don't care. I don't worry about that. I cannot, because then I will not be a good trader.